This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Regina Santori. The most spacious ranch on market. You'll love the incredible openness of the floor plan in this all-brick home. Scraped look hardwoods, 9-foot ceilings, tray ceiling in master bedroom. Split bedroom plan. Sumptuous master bath features a soaker tub under a lovely rainglass picture window. Master bath flows into huge master dressing room, which flows directly into the laundry. Excellent gourmet kitchen with granite tops and extra seating at island. 2-car garage really holds 2 SUVs. Cozy gas fireplace and tons of large closets for plenty of storage. Neat as a pin neighborhood, has great community, walking trails, and more. Maryville City Schools. Move-in ready, come and enjoy. Sellers wish to have 3 full showing days, so we'll review any offers received at 5 p.m. on Thursday, April 8, 2021. For more information, review the details below or contact Regina Santori at 865-584-4000.